Turquoise.
Turquoise. Star. Green star. Another star. Orange star.
Yeah. You know all those colors. Are you teaching them to Nora?
Yeah. Look, a cow. Look, a cow. A big silly cow. No, it didn't. Oh, no. It's, no. Here, Nora. Here by my toes. No? Okay. Mom.
Yeah.
This is pink and this is pink.
Mhm.
What's that? What's that?
That's turquoise again.
Turquoise with blue, pink, green, yellow. Buddy.
Stella, be careful.
Dua. This is my book. Here to my mommy.
Bless you.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
Read my book.
Reading
That's
your
mine.
Stella,
That's mine.
take it easy. You have to share with your sister.
That's mine.
What's hers? What's for Nora?
Take for Noah.
Can you get something for Nora?
For my book. Here, Noah.
Oh, you're going to share your book?
Yeah, for Noah, my Noah. Thank you. Thank you, Noah.
See, you shared.
I share with Noah.
Mm-hmm.
Mom, no like the snake.
Does she like the snake? Who gave you that snake?
It's Sarah.
Oh, and Sarah.
Sarah gave my snake. This snake.
She gave you the snake.
Sarah used it.
Do you love your Aunt Sarah?
Mom,
Do you love your Aunt Sarah?
yeah.
Yeah.
Mom, I love Nana.
And you love Nana?
Nana, but be safe. That's it. The water Latin border.
Hmm?
There's a bird.
What's Nora doing?
No doing. Nora, do.
Stella, be careful.
No. Do.
She's putting that in her mouth?
Yeah.
Yeah, she tries to put everything in her mouth.